Yo, what is going on, guys? It's the Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the double tap feature on the back of your phone in the new update on iOS 14. But before we get into that video, if you guys could just go down and drop a like and subscribe to the channel, it'd really help me grow and reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you would like to go to your iOS settings, then hit accessibility, then touch, then back tap. Then choose between the options double tap and triple tap. Once you're here, you can customize to whatever you would like. Personally, I have my double tap on home as of right now. However, I think in the future, I'm going to change it to video. So if you think about it, if something really cool is happening and I don't have enough time to go all the way into video, I can just double tap the back of my phone and bam, I'll instantly be videotaping something so I won't miss anything. I think that's definitely the best option. However, you guys can choose whatever you please. Anyways, it's been the Sauce from the Viral Kingdom. I hope this was quick and right to the point, and if it was, make sure you guys leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and peace. See you guys later.